वीडियो ऑन है.
चलो ओके. गुड इवनिंग. स्टार्ट बाय मतलब रीडिंग योर बायो
Good
स्पीच.
evening. A shalok from Gita. कर्मन्ते वादिका रस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्म फल हेतुर्भुमाते संगो कर्मणि will define me as a person, putting in efforts without being manipulative. I'm a Kashmiri Hindu and belong to a middle class family. My father is a retired engineer from Air India. My mother is a homemaker and my brother is an engineer. During my school time, I invested most of my time in studying my academic syllabus. After my 12th, with limited insight, I opted for EIC, Electronic Instrumentation Control in YMCA, University Faridabad, now known as JC Bose University. In my college life, I tried to explore the field of fitness, music, and try to be more social by joining clubs like Toastmaster to get rid of my public speaking fear, and played the role of grammarian, time master, speaker in the club. After my college, I worked with Poincy Security Services Private Limited as a network engineer, where my work was to interact with site technicians and make them rectify technical errors in network services. During my job, I cleared the exam of FCAT and I am recommended candidate from 3FSB Gandhinagar, but due to health issues could not join. I served as a network engineer for 1 year, 3 months and got the opportunity for Qatar Doha as an electrical engineer in a service provider company to FBA Group, where I worked on MEP, BMS and HVAC. Now it is like MEP is mechanical, electrical, plumbing. BMS is building management system and HVAC is heating, ventilation and air conditioning. My work was to supervise the whole site and the nature of work was maintenance of that site. Here I got to work with people of different origins and ethnicity like Egypt, Philippines, Nepal, Bangladesh. I left the job as my contract ended, which was for 2 years. With my job, I side by side keep pursuing my love for music, fitness, and providing free education. And I have 3 YouTube channels right now. Yobit Love, where I put raps on social issues and incidents happened with me in my personal life. Yobit Classes, where I provide videos on quant and reasoning helpful for the students who are preparing for any competitive exams, and Yobit Fitness, where I try to motivate and spread my knowledge of fitness.
So Suraj, tell me that what do you see the future of all of your three channels?
Sir, actually, my vision for my 3 channels are like this. Love, I'm going to make raps on social issues and the thing which affects me in my personal life, like hip hop is all about to express yourself. And in future, I'm going to make this channel to a big platform where I'm going to make the rap artist out there which have the ability to
So
express.
why do you want to do HR then? You have a passion, you have a platform, you can do all that, all your effort to perform well on on the platform that you are creating. So why do you
Yes.
want to waste your 2 year for learning a course like HR?
सर ग्लोबलाइजेशन एंड लेबर के लिए मेरा वो ले लो आप एक्चुअली योबिट लव एंड ऑल माय 3 channels are
Chalo,
going
okay.
to
For globalization and labor, done. Chalo.
okay actually my 3 channels are based like I have like from the college time my thinking was to affect the people life like to touch the people life in any form which I can, so I want to do something in profession which through which I can be helpful to the people to make their life in a better manner, and through my sum of experiences in my past company I am more aligned to do
But
globalization and labor
but
now.
you just said that you want to create your platform big enough so that you can bring more and more new rap artists there, and this would be a very
Yes,
big
yes, definitely.
big task. So doing the thing that you are thinking on your platform, and doing the thing that you are thinking through this globalization and labor course, which is not interacting or intersecting that much, so that it can resonate with each other. So basically, one goal of
Yeah.
yours will be disturbing the second goal of yours. So why do you want to do the both of the things together?
Nothing like that, sir. No one, nothing of these two is disturbing my one or another goal. Like I have three goals, as I've said you: fitness and this my music channel and my classes. So actually, in my free time or the time
But what
which
I
I will,
think, if we'll add those two channel more, then your occupancy on your channels will be very much. I'm just thinking about the first goal of your channel, which is Ubit Music that you have said. So the dream for this channel is still too big to achieve, and all the hard work that you are going to put there, you will not be doing the same time, or you will not be using the same time for the course also. So there is a limitation of the time and resources and mental capacity that you have to distribute in these two things. And if you add two more channels to the plate, so it is going to be very difficult task to distribute your time and resources on those all those four things that you are saying. Three of your channels, and
yes,
one is the globalization and labor. So I don't
yes,
think
sir,
that you,
definitely.
but I don't think you will be able to do the justice with all those four things together.
Sir, definitely, it's going to be hard. I do.
But it's not only hard; it's impossible. I think. How could you
Why,
do?
sir? No,
Because
no,
because
no. I
because
think, I think it's,
have
I
you
think
gone
it
through
is.
the globalization and labor course structure?
Yes.
And have you talked to any senior or any person who has been doing this course currently or have completed the course?
I've not got the opportunity to talk to someone who is currently doing this
Okay,
course.
okay.
Like I have,
Let's say that you have studied the syllabus and curriculum of the course. So don't you think
okay.
that this course and this curriculum requires much of your time, much of your mental capability, much of your strength to complete this all those papers, all those assignments, all those field works? So how do you find any time for your channels, or the dream that you are seeing to or trying to pursue with your channels?
Sir, according to me, a person find time for anything like he loves to do, and second, he never get tired. Like I'm going to work for like maximum hours which I can put to make my dream fulfill, and I'm going to give my time to my professional life also, but it's my personal life to make this three channels to grow
So,
out
so
there, and it's not
which one is
difficult.
your professional life? You bit music is your professional life, or the globalization and labor is your professional life? Which one of these is professional life?
Professional life I want to make professional life I want to make to globalization and labor, like Yobit Love, which is my music channel. I'm going to put the raps on the social issues,
But
and I'm,
but but
like I
but
said, I'm going to make
that
it, and it's
music,
not that difficult. It's not. Yes.
but that music or running a YouTube platform is still a professional thing to do. So basically, you will be pursuing two professions at one time. So still, I'm very much
uh
apprehensive about the plan
Definitely,
that you
sir.
are making. Hmm.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, sir, I do agree with you. But what I think is that if we have to bring a change in the society, so one person can do a lot of things, and I'm ready to do that. To do that things, and I'm ready to take the challenges. And definitely, I have belief in me that I'm going to take these channels and my professional life. No one is going to endanger between them.
One more
I'm
thing.
going.
If you have gone
Yes.
through the course of globalization in labor, and generally we must
Mhm.
have seen that we are talking about informal labor sector. So what is the role of globalization in this
Yes.
course?
Globalization, sir, like I have worked in Qatar, so I've been with various origins people from different countries. So I've seen various trouble they are going
No,
through.
no, Suraj.
Like if
I was just asking, what is the role of globalization in this course? You have gone through this course, and you have selected this course by a good amount of brainstorming. So what I'm asking
yes,
about,
yes,
what is
definitely.
the role of globalization in this particular course? Not as a motivation of yours, but the
Okay.
real time. purpose of putting globalization in this course? What do you find?
According to me, sir, globalization, this course is uh, like we can migrate the labors, like we are migrating the labor from one for the from the rural to urban areas or from one country to another country. So according to this course, globalization acts upon the in this way, like getting the workforce from one rural area to the urban area, how the life changes of these people, laborers, when they go to the big city or when they work in the big city, how problem they face out there in the company. And this globalization refer to that, sir, in this course,
So,
globalization.
so can we say some problem? Can you tell me some problems that a labor or a labor force faces when they go to other state or other country? Let's say other state. I'll talk about within India migration of laborers. So what are the issue they can face when they move from their hometown to a place where which is not in their state?
Definitely, sir. Like first one is when they go to the urban areas. So they're like they have to be in the urban area is like to make more earnings. In rural area, you can live with a limited amount of money, but when you go urban area, it's automatically increases out there. So keeping that mind, they have to do a lot of hustle. Sometimes they come from rural area to the urban area with a mindset, but when they see reality of urban area, like various aspects of urban area which they are not previously opened about, when they see all these things in the urban area, so a lot of problems they face in terms of economical, and in terms of social tensions, like if they don't find a job out there, or their unfortunately their job which they are doing in the urban area get deprived from them. So they unfortunately it is shown that they have a lot of people have gone to they have chosen the path of crimes, or the illegal things. These are the problems, I think so.
Yeah, just tell me, whose responsibility is there to solve these problems? Government who is there, who is that, whatever government is there in the state, or the company itself? Who needs to solve this problem?
I think, sir, government have to make some labor laws like this, which should be there, which a company should be liable to abide these rules and go through them. There should be a structure through which a company
So
should
don't you think that labor
go
law
through.
is there also? When there is a labor law, there is a labor reform also. So are those
Definitely,
laws are not
definitely, sir.
enough to solve those issues?
Definitely, sir. There are labor laws. Like I can give you an example of current situation. Like the states like Gujarat, MP, Rajasthan, and Maharashtra has terminated most of the labor laws in their states, and due to this, a lot of laborers are going to face a lot of problems, because even before the labor laws, when the labor laws were implemented, they were facing the problems. But after that labor laws, a lot of labor laws are not there currently, so they have to go through a lot of problems. So it's on the state, like if state is going to make some labor laws out there, so the company is about to follow those rules, and at least that particular labor laws a company can't violate for the laborers.
Okay. So if you want to say that if you want to change something in the labor law, whatever is there, or if you want to add something to the labor law, what would be your point to be which you want to add? Anything that you might suggest to government so that next time when something like this happens and all the migrated laborers are getting the problem of joblessness and the trouble living in the state where they are not belong to. So any step, any policy step that you would like to suggest?
Definitely, sir. Like if in this time, a lot of laborers who were living in the urban area, their home were factories. They were living in the factories. So when the government has said them like to shut down the factories, they were homeless. So in these small steps, if the government can take at their mind the various conditions where labor has not to suffer a lot. So I think in that way.
So I didn't get your suggestion. What is your suggestion?
Like my suggestion is there are a lot of labor law already out there, but the implementation of those labor laws are the problem, are the basic problem. Like the 44 labor laws has been converted to the four basic laws. The government has is doing already a lot of stuff to bring that labor law in a finest forms, so that the laborers can be provided benefit from them. But I think the implementation of them at the end of the day is the big problem. And
Uh,
the
that
government
means
has said
you think that all the labor law, whatever the provisions they have made through labor laws, it's sufficient enough for taking care of their uh, well-being. Since you are not
nothing is
suggesting
sufficient, sir.
anything,
But I have not think in this dimension like which labor law we can add on in this, because after this conversion of these 44 labor laws to this four labor the dimensions, there were a lot of labor laws problems which has been rectified. So I think the implementation of them is now the biggest issue. And I have not say think in that dimension. I think if I get into the course, I will definitely going to get some ideas regarding this.
so what do you understand by globalization, Suraj?
Globalization, as I said, sir, like in terms of labors, if we say this, so globalization is like if the uh, providing the services from one part to another part, like from the local part to an national or in part. Like you are producing your hometown, but that which whatever you are producing, if that has the capability, so it can be even marketed to the international market. So globalization is like to get the benefits to the uh, small industry, small place people also, from a big this big association or to the international level.
So if we buy uh, some particular raw material, yeah, let's say the Japan is buying raw material from India. So is this an example of globalization?
Japan is buying raw material from
Raw
India.
material related to
Yes, sir.
steel.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
From
So
steel.
matlab for steel, okay, matlab that doesn't matter. Whatever raw material. Okay, tell me one thing. After this COVID situation, what impact would the term of global globalization? Like whatever the degree of globalization is there right now, after this COVID
Okay.
situation, will there be any change in the degree? Will we be more globalized or less globalized?
So I think after this COVID-19 situation, we will try to focus to be more globalized.
But the government of India is suggesting vocal for local and being Atmanirbhar. So basically, we are cutting our trades and our dependency on the other country.
No,
So how
sir.
can you
Like
say that we are increasing?
I think this vocal for local, like we can produce the states, like we are effort will be to export the goods rather than to import. So vocal for local is a good step by the government, so that we can export a lot of goods. A lot of people out there are making the brand, but they didn't get the recognition because of the market which has been established by the other country in our country already. So I think this vocal for local is good for the export, and if this scheme would be successful, so we can see a lot of goods even from the rural area to the international market more and more. So it will be profitable for us people. So we can take this in that way also.
Okay, सूरज, थैंक यू. फीडबैक ले लो पहले तुम, है ना. लेट्स गो फ्रॉम स्टार्ट. जैसे मैंने तुमको बोला कि तुम्हारा चैनल है, तुम्हारे चैनल का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, तो तुमने बोला कि ये ऑब्जेक्टिव है मेरे चैनल का. ठीक है, दैट वाज वेरी गुड, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. तुमने ग्लोबलाइजेशन के लिए भी अपना ऑब्जेक्टिव बोला कि वो भी ठीक है, तुम लेबर के लिए या फिर लोग वर्क पावर के लिए काम करना चाहते हो, ये भी ठीक था. व्हेन आई सेड कि हाउ डू यू मैनेज बोथ ऑफ देम टुगेदर, तो तुम बोल सकते हो कि फॉर द टाइम बीइंग आई कैन स्टॉप वर्किंग ऑन वन पार्ट, है ना, और आई कैन प्रायोरिटाइज द स्टडी पार्ट मोर. ठीक है, प्रायोरिटाइज तुम एक भी बार नहीं बोले. ठीक है, मतलब यू आर लाइक हम दोनों को टाइम देंगे, है ना, दोनों को नहीं दे सकते, विच इज इम्पॉसिबल हियर, है ना. व्हेन बोथ डिमांड्स गुड अमाउंट ऑफ योर अटेंशन, तो आप प्रायोरिटाइज करते हो.
Yes.
ठीक है. दूसरा आपको बोलना चाहिए कि आई विल क्रिएट टीम्स फॉर वन थिंग. मतलब योबिट इज नॉट जस्ट योर वर्क, शुड बी यू कैन क्रिएट टीम्स फॉर दैट वर्क. बात समझ में आ रही है?
Yes, yes, yes.
You can delegate your work to the other people, your friends, your supporters, है ना, या whosoever
Like sir,
is.
it was, sorry sir, like it was in my back of my mind that I am going to I would have make my views on this more, but I would wanted to say that Yobit Love is all about music. I have been putting raps on this, and I've seen that how much hardship or time I have given to this channel and how it grows.
हाँ, वो तो ठीक है, बट मेरा पॉइंट है ना कि जब भी ऐसा कभी सिचुएशन आ जाए ना, तो एक तो प्रायोरिटाइज का कंसेप्ट हो जाता है कि हम प्रायोरिटाइज करेंगे पहले ये, फिर बाद में वो, है ना, कि जब लीजर टाइम मिलेगा तो हम उस पर काम करेंगे, एंड दैट ड्रीम इज लॉन्ग टर्म ड्रीम, तो धीरे धीरे रियलाइज होगा, है ना. फिर उसके बाद तुम बोल दोगे कि हम टीम क्रिएट करेंगे, है ना, आई डेलीगेट द वर्क, है ना, सिंस इट इज योर लीडरशिप इज रिक्वायर्ड, नॉट द ऑल द वर्क डन इज रिक्वायर्ड बाय यू इज नॉट नेसेसरी. समझ आ रही बात? तो लीडरशिप इज रिक्वायर्ड, तो तुम ऐसा बोल सकते हो हम डेलीगेट करेंगे. ठीक है. फिर नेक्स्ट पार्ट आता है कि उसके बाद ये था, उसके बाद मैंने क्या पूछा था तुमसे इस पूरे बहस
ग्लोबलाइजेशन का, कि कौन सा लेबर लॉ आप मतलब लाना चाहते हो वो.
हाँ, तो जब भी इस पे बात होती है ना, जैसे जो एक तो ये हो गया कि ग्लोबलाइजेशन में या माइग्रेट वाले लेबर लॉ के केस में तुम थोड़ा सा सोशल सिक्योरिटी के एफर्ट पे ऐड कर सकते हो.
हाँ,
जैसे तुमने बोला, हाँ, कि जैसे तुमने बोला कि कंपनी में लोग रह रहे थे, हाँ, गवर्नमेंट ने बंद कर दिया. ठीक है, तो तुमको ऐसा एक बताना चाहिए कि देयर मस्ट बी ए प्रोविजन दैट इन एन एक्सट्रीम केस, है ना, जहाँ पे कंपनी को कोई भी नुकसान हो रहा हो, या कंपनी के ऊपर कोई भी नेचुरल डिजास्टर आ गया, इंडिविजुअल कंपनी के ऊपर भी, है ना, या एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम इट हैपेंस टू द कंपनी मस्ट क्रिएट a corpus of amount or resource which can sustain the life of laborers for next 3 months.
Yes.
तो ऐसा कुछ हम कर देंगे, तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में उनके पास सफिशिएंट टाइम मिल जाएगा टू फाइंड आउट द अल्टरनेट लाइवलीहुड फॉर देमसेल्फ. ठीक है.
And one more thing, sir, labor laws were converted into the 4 wage labor code. So wage code is already out there. International industrial relation is out there. This industrial safety and welfare is out there. It was in the standing committee,
हाँ
but the social safety one is still
अब बहुत ज्यादा मिस करता है,
in
तो
the,
एक इस पे हम लोग कई बार बात करते हैं ना, तो ध्यान रखना चाहिए। अच्छा, ये जो तुमने बोला कि ग्लोबल हमें ज्यादा हो जाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं है। वी आर गोइंग लेस ग्लोबल, but in my point of view we should become more global after this। क्यों? क्योंकि जो हमारा एफर्ट है किसी भी वर्ल्ड वाइड, जैसे वर्ल्ड वाइड डिजास्टर से लड़ने का ना, अगर अगर हम ज्यादा ग्लोबल हो जाएंगे इन टर्म ऑफ फाइटिंग दोज डिजास्टर्स या इन टर्म ऑफ शेयरिंग आवर रिसोर्सेस, तो वो बेटर होगा। बिकॉज
okay,
बिकॉज क्या होगा, ठीक है चलो, अभी अभी तुमने देखा होगा कि डिस्पाइट ऑल दोज गुड फैसिलिटीज of health facilities, still the developed world was more destroyed by this corona, है ना? जो number of people died in USA, number of people died in Italy, number of people died in
Spain,
UK,
Italy, yes, sir.
हाँ, they are much more than what number of people dying in developing countries or underdeveloped countries। तो इस केस में क्या है कि they also seeked for resources from us, कि इंडिया ने सप्लाई किया, तुम्हें पता ही होगा, है ना, मेडिसिन जो हाइड्रोक्विनोलिन बोलते हैं। तो मेरा पॉइंट
Yes,
ये है कि
yes,
अगर हम डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट के टर्म में, या फिर पीपल सेफ्टी के टर्म में, या फिर ह्यूमन वैल्यू के टर्म में, या फिर हम हेल्थ केयर के टर्म में, ऐसे सब सिचुएशन में वी नीड टू बी मोर ग्लोबल। बट एट फॉर द इकोनॉमी पार्ट, है ना, जो लाइवलीहुड जनरेट करने वाली बात होती है, प्रोडक्ट के डेवलपमेंट की बात होती है, तो उसमें वी कैन थिंक ऑफ बीइंग लोकल। ठीक है, मतलब इकोनॉमिक लोकल इकोसिस्टम जो
okay,
है वो छोटा छोटा तैयार हो तो बेटर है। ठीक है, बट फॉर मेनी एस्पेक्ट्स वी नीड टू गो ग्लोबल। ठीक है,
yes, yes,
एक
yes,
और
okay.
एक और बात थी, एक और बात थी जो हम बोलना चाहते थे। इस बीच में एक एक कोई और डिस्कशन किया था हमने इन बिटवीन।
हाँ, problems faced,
हाँ,
rural,
प्रॉब्लम फेस्ड वाले। हाँ, तो तुमको ना एकदम सीधा सीधा तुमने बोला, ऑल्दो यू टॉक मेनी ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम, बट होता क्या है ना कि दे फेस लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम। तो ये लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम बहुत बार सुनाई दिया, बट द नेम ऑफ प्रॉब्लम बहुत कम बार सुनाई दिया, है ना? तो जो तुमने बोला, अल्टीमेटली यू स्पोक, ऐसा नहीं कि यू डिडंट स्पोक एनी प्रॉब्लम। तुमको ऐसा बोलना चाहिए। खुद सोचो, कोई भी आदमी गांव से उठ के आता है पहले शहर में, तो एक चैलेंज उसको होता है जेल करने का, अर्बन एनवायरनमेंट में एडजस्ट होने का। ठीक है,
yes, yes,
फिर
yes,
उसके बाद गाँव की सोसाइटी जो उनकी होती है वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंट होती है, क्योंकि ज्वाइंट फैमिलीज होते हैं, नेबरहुड में भी उनके रिलेटिव्स होते हैं, है ना? तो दे आर वेरी मच डिपेंडेंट। बट अर्बन एरिया में आके वो ना इंडिपेंडेंसी क्रिएट नहीं कर पाते अचानक से, क्योंकि आते तो न्यूक्लियस हैं, एक फैमिली आती है, एक आदमी आता है, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दे फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू क्रिएट इंडिपेंडेंसी। ठीक है, दूसरा फिर क्या होता है कि ऑल्दो दे गेट द इकोनॉमिक एडवांटेज, पैसा उनको ज्यादा मिलता है गांव से, बट दे लूज द सोशल एडवांटेज ऑफ देम देयर, है ना? जो जो उनके बच्चों का परवरिश आस पड़ोस के लोग भी कर देते हैं, एजुकेशन में, कल्चरल इनरिचमेंट में जो सोसाइटी का हाथ होता है वो कम पड़ जाता है। ठीक है, तो ये सब इश्यूज हैं। एंड इन द केस ऑफ सडन डिजास्टर, ऐसे डिजास्टर के टाइम में दे 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 लेफ्ट अन अन मतलब होता है अनकैटर्ड बोल लो, क्योंकि दे आर नॉट द सिटीजन ऑफ दैट स्टेट, तो वहाँ की गवर्नमेंट भी ध्यान नहीं देती, है ना? और जो उनके होम स्टेट की गवर्नमेंट है, दे हैव आल्सो फॉरगॉट देयर पब्लिक हु हैज लेफ्ट द स्टेट। ठीक है, तो ये सब इश्यूज तुम बता सकते हो।
okay, sir. एक और बात मुझे पूछनी थी आपसे, like I
हाँ,
want to talk about the international जो वर्कर्स है वो प्रॉब्लम्स क्या फेस करते हैं, तो
तो
like अगर
अब
मैं
मान लो,
तुम्हें क्या
एक
बोलना
बात
चाहिए?
मान लो, अगर नहीं पूछा तो कहाँ से करोगे?
हाँ, वो
समझ में
बात
आ
है।
रही बात? हाँ, तो तुम इस वाले क्वेश्चन में जो ना लेबर वाले में है, तो पहले लेबर वाले का बता के तुम ये भी बता सकते थे कि इसी तरह से जो बाहर के देश में जाते हैं, दे सफर दीज प्रॉब्लम्स। ठीक है, तो
Okay.
उसमें ऐड ऑन कर सकते थे। अच्छा, एक चीज और था, जब मैंने तुमसे पूछा कि व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ ग्लोबलाइजेशन इन दिस कोर्स, है ना, तो यू आर नॉट वेरी क्लियर इन दैट। तो तुम थोड़ा सा कोर्स डिस्क्रिप्शन फिर से पढ़ लो। देयर मस्ट बी रिटन 2-3 इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन दैट व्हाई लेबर स्टडी में ग्लोबलाइजेशन ऐड करना इज इम्पोर्टेंट। मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है?
ओके।
Why globalization as a concept, as a thing, is need to be added in term of studying the labor problems। ठीक है, ये दिया होगा
ओके
कोर्स डिस्कशन में।
ठीक है सर।
और अपना
हाँ
अपना
मैं
नेटवर्क
मैं
ठीक
तो
करो।
पढ़ा था पढ़ लेता हूँ।
बट उसको भी
हाँ
ध्यान
सर।
रखो ना, क्योंकि उसको ध्यान रखो, कभी भी पूछा जा सकता है ना। और
हाँ सर
अपना
ठीक
अपना
ठीक।
फैन बंद कर रखना इंटरव्यू के टाइम में। तुम्हारा फैन बहुत आवाज कर रहा है प्रॉब्ली, क्योंकि और किसी
हाँ
का
सर वो
स्पीकर है।
मैं यहाँ पे।
और
हाँ मेरा
नेटवर्क
ही
भी
फैन होगा
तुम्हारा,
वो।
हाँ नेटवर्क तुम्हारा बहुत सही नहीं है, तो उसको भी ठीक रखना। और फोन पे बात कर रहे हो
हाँ
ना
सर
अभी
ये।
शायद?
हाँ फोन पे बात कर रहा हूँ।
लैपटॉप नहीं है तुम्हारे पास?
लैपटॉप है सर बट मैं फोन पे ही दूंगा क्योंकि लैपटॉप का थोड़ा सा सीन
अच्छा,
सही नहीं लगता, उसका कैमरा थोड़ा वो
तो
हो गया
कैमरा
धुंधला
तो
सा।
अलग से मिल जाता है, 1000 रुपए का, लॉजिटेक का, खूब अच्छा सा। उसको ऊपर से
हाँ
ऐसे क्लिप कर सकते हो। एनीवे मतलब लैपटॉप फोन से भी कर सकते हो, बट थोड़ा लाइटिंग जो है, जो तुम्हारे पीछे लाइट है, वो थोड़ा फ्रंट
हाँ
के साइड में
उसका
कर
तो
लो।
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर, मैं एक्चुअली रूफ पे दूंगा तो वहाँ पे सुबह का टाइम होगा तो वो सनलाइट का वहाँ पे है, तो ये तो अभी यहाँ पे नहीं दूंगा मैं।
ठीक
तो
है,
वहाँ
मतलब
पे
एक बार
नेटवर्क भी अच्छा हो।
देख लेना, ऊपर में फिर शोर आएगी ना, अगर हवा चलेगा और आसपास की आवाज होगी तो वो भी डिस्टर्ब होगा, तो वो सब भी देख लेना।
ठीक है
ठीक
सर।
है।
सर एक और बात करनी थी मुझे, लाइक
हाँ
मेरा एचआरएम का जो था ना, मैं आपको बताया था कि कंपनी में जो भी मेरा फेस था वो प्रॉब्लम,
हाँ
लाइक वहाँ पे जो था जो भी, तो मैं कंपनी वाला ग्लोबलाइजेशन में बता सकता हूँ क्या? ग्लोबलाइजेशन के लिए मुझे जो लेबर्स मतलब इन दोनों का डिफरेंस अगर ये पूछे मेरे से कि तुम एचआरएम और एलआर में और ग्लोबलाइजेशन और इसमें कौन सा तुम करना चाहते हो, तो मैं तो कंफ्यूज हूँ क्योंकि मैं काम जो करना चाहता हूँ वो इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेशन में करना चाहता हूँ इन सब में, तो वो दोनों में आते हैं, तो
चलो ठीक है,
मैं
इस
वहां
पे
पे मतलब।
इस पे वी विल टॉक लेटर। ठीक है, इस पे अलग से हम लोग
ठीक है
बात
सर।
कर लेंगे। ठीक है। और
ठीक है सर।
एचआर वाला भी प्रिपेयर रखना, कल उसका भी ले लिया जाएगा।
ठीक है
ठीक है।
सर। एचआर
नेक्स्ट
का तो
कौन?
मैं बाद में दे दूंगा सर, 15 तारीख
ठीक है,
को।
कोई बात नहीं, तो एक बार और
18 को
इसको
है मेरा।
ठीक कर लेना। हाँ, ओके चलो।
ठीक ठीक है सर।